Enforcement officers who investigated the shooting death of Kaylin Gillis in Hebron last year continue to testify today in the trial against Kevin Monahan.
Investigators going through the evidence they collected in the aftermath of that shooting. News 10 ABC's Skylar Eagle spending the day in Washington County Court again today. She joins us live now with the very latest. Skylar?
Casey and Trishna, a large part of today's testimony revolved around the alleged murder weapon. That's Kevin Monahan's shotgun. A lot of the questions that we heard attorneys ask revolving around allegations that Kevin Monahan tampered with evidence, concealed evidence relating to shots fired after the shooting. We heard once again from New York State Police forensic investigator Colby Galber, who walked us through photos of Monahan's shotgun. He says the action was closed when he found it, meaning it was capable of firing if the trigger was pulled. Gabler says he did not find any fingerprints on the gun. Defense attorney Arthur Frost honed in on this during cross-examination, questioning Gabler about the variability of finding fingerprints in the first place, which he says are up to chance. The condition of the shotgun is a key part of this trial. Prosecutors allege Monahan tampered with the gun to conceal that it was fired. Multiple investigators have testified over the last few days that they were unable to find empty shells or wadding on Monahan's property following the shooting. What they did find, though, was the slug. That's the projectile part of the shotgun shell inside the Ford Explorer where Gillis was a passenger. Other investigators testified about the reconstruction of the shooting that shows the slug went through the upper left rear end of the SUV, through Gillis's neck, off of the passenger side door handle, and then down on the floor. Investigator Amanda Puckett determined the angle of the gun was shot based on the bullet hole in the SUV and layout of the driveway to attempt to figure out where Monahan was standing when he fired. Frost questioned her on the validity of some of the assumptions she had to make in order to perform some of those calculations. And right now we're hearing from forensic scientist Victoria O'Connor, who specializes in analyzing firearms. She says she tested Monahan's shotgun using 2 shot shells and did not find malfunctions with the safety, trigger, or any damage inside of the gun. And this testimony is going to be really important in this trial. The defense claimed during opening statements that the gun malfunctioned and that Monahan did not fire that second shot that ended up being fatal to Kaylin Gillis. O'Connor, though, testifying just moments ago that she performed a drop test on the shotgun multiple times and it only fired once when the safety was disengaged. All other times, though, when the safety was engaged, the gun did not fire. She did say, though, that the safety did move slightly when it was dropped. That testimony, again, continuing inside right now. We'll have the latest on air and online. For now, reporting live in Fort Edward, Skylar Eagle, News 10 ABC.